In a workyard, a large steel section was being moved with the help of a crane. The worker secured it using a rope and the crane's hook, but the rope was positioned dangerously close to the hook's edge. As he guided the crane toward its destination, the load shifted. The rope slipped free, and the heavy steel section dropped suddenly, missing the worker by just inches. It was a split-second escape from what could have been a serious incident. Always use proper rigging gear and ensure hooks are fully engaged before lifting. A secure connection is the first step in keeping both workers and loads safe during crane operations. Inside a storage facility, a fire began in one of the rooms, likely caused by an electrical fault. At first it was small, but smoke and flames quickly grew. A worker rushed in with a water hose, trying to contain it, but the flames kept spreading. Within moments, the fire moved beyond the room, igniting nearby stored goods and rapidly escalating across the warehouse. The situation became intense, showing how fast fire can overtake an unprepared space. Electrical safety checks and proper fire suppression systems are essential in storage areas. Quick access to the right type of extinguisher can stop a small spark from becoming a warehouse-wide emergency. A truck was transporting a large steel coil securely placed on its trailer. As a nearby car drifted out of its lane, the truck driver had to brake sharply. The sudden stop caused the massive coil to roll forward, breaking free and dropping onto the road. It continued into another truck ahead, creating a dangerous moment for everyone nearby. Fortunately, no one was injured, but the scene showed just how quickly road conditions can change. When hauling heavy, round cargo like steel coils, use proper chocks and restraints to prevent movement under sudden braking. On the road, load security is just as important as careful driving.